Welcome to INHOW. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and disorganized in your life? Do you always feel that there is not enough time to perform the tasks you have planned? So it's time to take control and start implementing some simple habits that will help you get your life in order. In this video, we'll go over 7 easy but effective tips and steps to help you become more organized. From decluttering and creating a to-do list to setting goals and implementing routines. By following our guide, you'll be well on your way to a more productive and efficient life. So let's get started. Tip 1. Declutter. The first step to becoming more organized is getting rid of the excess stuff that's cluttering up your space. Go through your home and get rid of anything you don't use or need. Not only will this make your space look cleaner and more organized, but it will also help reduce stress and make it easier to find things when you need them. Tip 2. Create a to-do list. A to-do list is a simple but effective way to keep track of your tasks and goals. Write down everything you need to do for the day or week and prioritize them by importance. This will help you stay focused and on track, and crossing items off the list will give you a sense of accomplishment. Tip 3. Set goals. Setting goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Whether it's a short-term goal like cleaning out the garage or a long-term goal like saving for retirement, having something to work towards will help you stay organized and focused. Tip 4. Implement routines. Routines can help you stay organized and on track. Whether it's a morning routine to start your day off right or a bedtime routine to help you wind down, having a structured routine can make your life more predictable and efficient. Tip 5. Use a calendar. A calendar is a simple but effective way to keep track of your appointments and commitments. Use a physical calendar or a digital one to jot down important dates and events. This will help you stay on top of your schedule and avoid overbooking yourself. Tip 6. Use labels. Labels can help you stay organized and find things quickly. Use labels on your filing cabinets, storage containers, and even on your pantry shelves to help you find what you need quickly and easily. Tip 7. Set aside time for organization. Finally, make sure to set aside time specifically for organization. Whether it's once a week or once a month, dedicate some time to getting your space in order. This will help you stay on top of clutter and keep things running smoothly. We hope these 7 simple tips have inspired you to start becoming more organized. Remember, it's all about implementing small but effective habits that will make a big difference in your life. By following our guide, you'll be well on your way to a more productive and efficient life. And happy organizing!